What is up, gardening friends? My name is Jason with Jason's Gardens, and welcome to my garden. Today I am coming with the first unboxing and review of the seeding square tray. Let's get into it. Look at them. This is the size of my head. This leaves the size of my head right here, guys. It allows for cucumbers. I've been waiting for this package for about a week and a half, and it's finally came in, and I'm just very excited because I have a bed right behind me, nothing in it yet, but now I have something to use this for. So let's get into the unboxing and my overall review as a first-time gardener and as a first-time reviewer. Alright, I've been waiting for this package for simply a very long time. It's been like a week and a half, but it doesn't sound like a lot, but to me it felt like a lot. And I have some seeds right here. I have a whole bunch of seeds that I'm about to plant to get a first time use as a first time gardener with the seeding square. So let's get to unboxing. I got this from Amazon. I seen it being sold on Etsy, but I just decided to go straight for Amazon because it's a more familiar thing. But if you guys watch this and are interested in getting one of these, just click the Amazon link down below. It will just help me out, just a few extra little dollars and whatever. So do that for me. Ooh, yes. It seems like everything just comes in this nice little box right here. So I've read a lot about this and I've looked it up online, of course, but everything seems just to be a very okay, simple packaging. It comes with this seeding chart right here, and then a planting guide. And this is kind of what got me interested, is because it tells you exactly what needs to go where and how many you can fit. And if you don't know me, I'm a very organized person. That's why the first 2 beds that are in my garden are square for gardens, because they're manageable and easy to read and move about. And if you haven't seen the reasons why you should build a square for garden in your backyard, make sure you go check that out. The link will be above. Go check it out. But like I said, I like things organized in a nice manner because it's easier to maintain. And that's what I want for everybody who starts gardening, to just not have to do crazy things for things to work. So, for further ado, I got a whole bunch of seeds, like I said, so let's get to trying this out. Alright, but since this all is just fresh wood chip that I kind of just put into it, it's not thick wood chip, it's really a little light wood chip. I'm just going to rake this into real quick to make it nice and even so we can get to it. So just take a quick second. Alright, so along with using this camera right here, I'm also going to use my phone to get some more close-up shots, but it seems pretty simple. You put your square in the square foot, press down to a good degree, then you check depending on what seeds you get. I am going to be putting my greens down here. I'm going to put some mustard and some arugula down here to show you guys as an example. So I got some of this arugula seed. So it just says sprinkle a little bit into the holes that you budded. And I'm just going to try to sprinkle a little bit. All right, into my 4 holes. And now 1 more for the last hole. And then it just says, after you do that, just redo it. I'm just going to redo it to the size that it needs. And that's it. Simple as that. As you see, this is the sheet right here. So it gives you the grid, just like regular seed packets already usually give you the amount of spacing that you have per square foot. But if they don't, they give you the whole thing right here. Tells you exactly the spacing needed. It gives you the square, of course. Tells you how deep. Well, the seed packet usually tells you how deep you need to put it, and then sprinkle it in. Boom, done deal. For like example, these arugula seeds, it told me how much I need to plant it and how deep. So I just simply did it, and now I have this nice square, and it's very well and orderly. So let's just say a weed decides to randomly grow. I know that it's a weed, and I can just take it straight out like then there, and everything has the correct spacing to grow. I hope you guys had enjoyed this video. Just so you know, this wasn't supposed to be a long, drawn-out video because it's a simple review and a simple process. Please, please, please use the Amazon link that I gave if you plan on buying it. I'm buying one of these because they are really, really cool. And I didn't necessarily just do it for the affiliate link or for any of that. I did it because I knew it was a great product, and I just wanted to get it because it makes my life a whole lot easier. Tell me if you guys enjoy these types of videos, you want me to do more reviews on the channel, and all. Hope you guys have a great day. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Oh wait, sorry. Ooh, calm myself. Have a great day. Much love. Peace. I'm out. See you guys. Bye bye. Woo! Toodles.